HWE Electro Co Ltd, or HWEP, a trailblazing Japanese electric vehicle innovator founded on May 24, 2019 by visionary entrepreneur Wai-Ching Xiao, who serves as CEO and representative director, stands at the forefront of sustainable urban mobility, designing, manufacturing, importing, and selling compact, zero-emission light commercial EVs like the Alemo series. Engineered with cutting-edge lithium-ion batteries, regenerative braking, and IoT-enabled fleet management for seamless logistics in Japan's bustling cities, positioning it as a green revolution catalyst in the 50 billion-plus domestic EV market amid global electrification mandates and carbon-neutral ambitions by 2050. Its highly anticipated initial public offering, IPO, on the Nasdaq Capital Market, meticulously filed via Form F-1 in November 2023, with key amendments through mid-2025, offers 4,150,000 American depository shares, adds, each representing one ordinary share at an indicative $4 price, to raise approximately $16.6 million, all proceeds flowing to selling stockholders with no fresh capital infusion to the company. Slated for listing as early as October 17, 2025, under the ticker HWEP, with E.F. Hutton LLC as lead placement agent, targeting a pragmatic $80–90 million valuation that balances startup realities with explosive growth potential in a rebounding tech auto sector, complete with lockup agreements and governance alignments for U.S. investors seeking Asia-Pacific exposure. HWEP's agile asset-light business model thrives on R&D excellence and strategic alliances, partnering with top-tier battery suppliers and logistics firms for cost-optimized production, monetizing primarily through direct Alemo van sales, 90% of revenue, aftermarket upgrades, subscription-based fleet analytics, and government green subsidies, while exporting to high-density Asian markets like Singapore and South Korea, though it deftly navigates supply chain vulnerabilities in rare earths, fierce rivalry from Toyota's Pro Ace and Nissan's E and V200, and evolving emissions regulations with diversified sourcing and proprietary IP. Financially promising in its nascent stage, HWEP delivered FY 2024 revenue of $1.83 million, a robust 27.46% YOY surge from $1.44 million, with gross margins of 25 to 30% from premium eco-positioning, yet posted a $6 million net loss driven by aggressive R&D, $2 to $3 million annually, and market entry costs, underpinned by a pristine debt-free balance sheet. $10 million in strategic venture funding, and $0.5 million cash reserves to fuel scaling to 1,000-plus units annually and break even by FY 2027. Looking ahead, HWEP's horizon sparkles with transformative potential amid Japan's EV boom, 30% CAGR through 2030, plotting next-gen autonomous delivery models, pilot tie-ups with Amazon Japan and Yamato Transport, and US and EU beachheads post-IPO to catapult revenue to $50 million by FY 2028, with positive EBITDA via production efficiencies and 40% international sales mix, all while countering battery price volatility and geopolitical frictions through vertical integration and ESG-compliant recycling programs. Steering this electrified voyage is a compact, high-caliber board. Founder-CEO Wai-Ching Xiao orchestrating global strategy with serial innovation pedigree. Newly appointed CFO Bo Yu, August 2024, fortifying finances from ex-PwC expertise. Independent directors Yuri Kono and Koki Kawana, alongside Takayuki Tokoroda and Eiji Fujino, ensuring rigorous oversight with no external promoter dominance but seamless alignment under Xiao's 65% ownership. Unrated formally at radiating investment-grade aura through Deloitte audits and zero leverage profile, HWEP's lean Tokyo team of 15 powers an ESG powerhouse, zero-emission advocacy, ethical supplier chains, and women in STEM initiatives, beckoning astute investors to this microcap IPO as a high-octane wager on sustainable transport's trillion-dollar dawn, recommending measured 5 to 10% portfolio slices, sourced from SEC F1 filings, Nasdaq disclosures, Nikkei insights, and company reports.